in the compound of ZHONGYAO KILN, one of the leading kiln maker in China.
Their goal is to have a bluer sky and clear water and greener land. So it's highly environmental friendly. They're using this big crane to carry the heavy metals. So you see, it's a very sizable factory. It's really amazing. Yeah? They are working on the machine too to make the components, the metal components of themselves. In-house manufacturing, they make all the components by themselves to control the best quality. Now we are in the factory of ZHONGYAO KILN, one of the leading kiln maker in China. As you can see, they have their manufacturing plant of themselves. Yeah, and also they have the robotic. This is the robotic to weld the frame for the kiln, to make sure that the welding is accurate, to achieve the best precision. It's all in their in-housing manufacturing. And now we are in the warehouse of ZHONGYAO KILN, and what we see now is the kiln modules ready to be delivered to Ethiopia for the full polished glaze tile invested by our Chinese business people, producing the 600 by 600 floor tiles. These kiln modules are well supported by the wood frames, well protected in the delivery to make sure their accuracy and precision. And on the floor, these are the refractory bricks already well laid. And of course, there is such a big empty space, so there will be more refractory materials to be stuffed in when shipped in the containers. This is the typical firing section of a kiln, and bigger holes are for the burners, either for diesel oil or for LNG, and the smaller ones is for the observation. It's called observation hole, to have a look at the inside of the kiln, how well the fire is going on. And this is what we call the cooling section of the kiln. So here you will not see any the place for the burners. And also this is for the rock wool, the protection and refractory materials of the kiln. It is well stuffed by the rock wool fibers to ensure the installation of the kiln. This batch is also delivery to Ethiopia. The control panel for this kiln, let's call the brain and nerves of the kiln, because in China, or the kilns made in China, all this has been automatically managed in the factory floor of the control panel. This control panel is now being assembled. The workers are doing the wiring and installing the PLC switches, etc., etc. So at the end of the day, it will be fully automated. Of course, this is not finished yet, yeah? But the wiring is very clear. Panel, they are integrating the world-leading brands, for example, like Siemens control gears and the Mitsubishi Electric. So it's a guarantee of the quality, huh?